How long does it take for a complete beginner to learn how to solve a Rubik's Cube? Let's find out. I've never touched a Rubik's Cube in my life, but from afar I've always wanted to solve one. So I decided that today was going to be that day. At first I was gonna write some notes and simply go from there, but I quickly got lazy and simply decided to watch this video and follow along. Alright guys, this is it. We did it. It's done. That was hard. It took a long time. But it's over. Thanks for watching and yeah. Ciao.